Alrighty, I'm here in the office and this is probably somewhere you haven't seen me working from before. Basically, this one's just going to be a nice quick short update because there has been a lot going on in the last week or so. Main reason was because I got to go to Bathurst, which is super cool. I was there working for Channel 7 doing the camera thing. It's been a while since I've had to do that because obviously I broke my shoulder if you'd been looking back at the videos. Anyway, recently this video here has just really blown up. That's the 10-minute sort of teaser of the Land Cruiser build. But also there has been a couple of updates on the Ute as well. So got some stuff in the pipeline for the Land Cruiser. I'm not going to let you in on that yet because it's a big surprise. But also the Ute. Cool things happening with that are the fact that I've got a massive PWR 55mm radiator for it now. The reason for that is because it's a semi-grout filled block in the engine, which means that they sort of grout fill it to harden the block up just for more boost, all that sort of stuff. Means with a bigger radiator, more coolant in the system. Also, I've got a brand new set of intensity wheels from my mate Tarek at Wheel and Tyre Kingdom, just for the front at the moment because I need to run a wider tyre than a 185 for roll racing. The weld wheels that were on it were only a 3.5, so I can't really squeeze a wide tyre on there. But originally looking at the Outlaw drags that they sell as well, but went for the intensity because of the new ones and they kind of look nice on the car. But just those things on the go. J&T the other day I got some massive big 6-inch aluminium tight radius donuts from them, so we're going to be getting stuck into making the intake off the turbo there with Cam at Solid Engineering. But yeah, just lots of stuff on the go. Tons of stuff happening with the 3-footed monsters at the moment, so if you don't know anything about 3-footed monsters, go below, there'll be a link there for where you can check them out, and if you want to buy one, go for it, that would be awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching, keeping these short, and we'll see you next week.